Bonjour! Happy lang ako na nandito ulit ako sa Paris! So this is Notre Dame, my bestie! Oh my God! Kakailaw lang niya! Oh my God! I'm crying again!
So for Latina.
Let's go! Paris! May mga sumisigaw. So yung mga bestie ko, nag-hop on, hop off na lang kami na bus ni Chia.
Yung tito mo pag nagpa-picture sa ibang bansa.
Good morning! Bonjour! So good morning mga bestie ko. Wala lang. Happy lang ako na nandito ulit ako sa Paris. If hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe mga bestie ko, gawin nyo na po ngayon kasi every week I upload videos, and these videos I really try it to be information as much as possible. Ang goal here is to make traveling easier for you mga Pilipino kong besties, and for you to also dream about the places that I visited na sana ma-manifest din natin na soon mapupuntahan nyo. So ngayon, bago tayo mag-start, may pa ganito, let's manifest Paris naman for you guys. So now, as you can see, naka fur coat po tayo from Shein. I'll put all my OOTD details on the description box below. Weather right now is 12 degrees. So sunny siya, but the temperature is a little bit cold. So don't get confused with the temperature and being sunny. So may araw, as in you can see, ayan, sobrang tirik ng araw, but yung hangin niya malamig. So ang mga OOTDs ko here is mga dresses naman na pwedeng pang autumn or summer dresses, but I always make sure I have ito, jacket, coat, or yung pangtapal ba sa katawan. Yesterday, I was actually wearing a ganyan, blazer lang na miniskirt, but meron naman siyang, ayan, leggings. So, dapat talaga hindi masyadong expose ang skin mo kasi lalamigin ka. Tulad ko, ako lamigin ako. So, I always make sure na medyo may layer ang aking suot. So, that's the weather for today. I think pa-autumn season na here in Paris. Kaya medyo palamig na ng palamig. Swerte kami kasi last week it was actually rainy. Now, it's sunny. I'll show you my tips on what to wear, what to prepare, what to pack. Over here, ayan. Screenshot nyo na lang. Pause this video to read the whole guideline over here. Yes, let's go. Now, nasa Uber kami. So earlier on our first days here in Paris, we spent 2 nights in H2 hotels. I'll show you glimpse of the room here. I actually reviewed this hotel on the previous vlog, so check nyo na lang mga bestie coast. Medyo malayo siya sa Kabihasnan. So now we are moving to a closer accommodation to town in Montmartre. Montmartre. Anyway, I'll just put the pronunciation here. Okay yung location nito kasi this is where maraming budget hotels. So medyo malapit siya sa Eiffel Tower, sa Seine River, yung mga major attractions in Paris, comparing it to our other hotel na napakalayo. And accessible din siya by metro, bus, etc. For this vlog, I will be showing you around Paris. So I will be taking you around the city of love. So come with me and spend my 3 days, 2 nights here in Paris. Let's go! Bourgeois instruction. Ladies and gentlemen, the Notre Dame. Notre Dame, my bestie!
if you're wondering, yes, there is a toilet just beside the Notre Dame Cathedral. It's at €2, so public toilet siya, but kailangan niya magbayad ng €2. Our first location for today's tour. Before anything else, let me share with you our itinerary for today. Walking tour lang siya because halos magkakadikit-dikit na lang talaga lahat ng mga pupuntahan namin today. Ayan. Google Maps link is also in my description box below if you also wanna follow our route. And yes, first stop is Notre Dame. Damn, so pretty. This is actually one of the most iconic landmarks here in Paris. Talagang if you're going to Paris for the first time, you should not miss this landmark. I mean, sa labas pa lang mga bestie ko, ang ganda na. I mean, kung mahilig kayo sa details, mapapansin yung mga bestie. Sobrang intricate na carvings at statues. Tapos parang bawat bato may kwento. And syempre, sobrang sikat din ang stained glass windows nila. Lalo na yung rose windows, mga bestie. If you could also see on the other side, ayan, very evident yung construction nila. Nagkasunog actually ang Notre Dame last 2019. So ngayon, they are actually rebuilding it carefully. So, okay, so I just researched now, as of September 2025 ngayon, hindi na pala under construction ang Notre Dame. Yes, may mga restoration works pa rin. It still continues, but it's already open and pwede nang pasukin sa loob. It was opened last December 8, 2024 pala. So yes, actually, kung makikita nyo, may mga lines going inside. Ang haba na, umaabot hanggang dulo. Iikot sa buong park until you reach the door. So, I think this is the line going inside, if I'm not mistaken. Ang layo pa ng pintuan, so talagang pila kung pila. So, kanina 'di ba pinakita ko sa inyo yung pila? It's from there pa, as in dulo pa. Then kung may nakikita kayo, ayan, may mga gumagalaw. This one, ayan, yung mga naglalakad. That's the pila going there until we get to the entrance. That is the entrance. Last September 20, 2025 mga bestie ko, inopen na din pala ang tower. So, pwede na rin siya ma-visit. As for us, wala na kaming masyadong time going inside and marami pa kaming ganap for today. At wala din kaming energy pumila. Hindi na kami pipila for now. But if you guys really want to go inside, here are tips for you to, consider para mas efficient yung time nyo and you can be able to go inside. I walked around mga 15 minutes from the Notre Dame to the Pantheon. Ayan siya mga bestie ko. Napaka-grande din talaga, as in, around the Pantheon, it's also very charming and grand. May actually university dito, kaya sobrang daming mga students, in fairness. Then in front of it is Maiiyak, Louvre. So buong parang halos 360-degree ng Pantheon, ang ganda tignan. If you could see on top ng Pantheon mga bestie ko, it's actually a massive dome that dominates the Latin Quarter skyline. Sa loob, may makikita kang mga grand murals, tapos marble stones, tapos mga tombs of France's most important figurines like yung kina Victor Hugo, Marie Curie, gano'n. So ayan siya mga bestie ko, sobrang ganda lang talaga nyo. Wala na akong ibang description. Ang cute, may mga nag-aaral. Ang ganda no, imagine kung dyan ka nag-aaral, tapos everyday na view mo, ito, like, feel ko sobrang inspired ko maging estudyante kung ito yung nakikita ko everyday. But anyway, as you can see mga bestie ko, may construction. I think it's gonna be an event kasi parang nagsiset up sila ng mga chairs over here. So they are holding events, programs, ceremonies. Hello! Ang saya ko lang ngayon. Like, deep inside, I'm just taking it all in. Everything that's in front of me, yung parang palace, the tip of the Eiffel Tower, the trees that are turning from green to yellow kasi pa-autumn na, yung mga dogs na naglalakad. Shit, mga bestie ko, I'm in Paris. And even though na third time ko na to, and I'm just happy to be here, mga bestie. I bought a
postcard. This was the perfect time for me to write what I was currently feeling para in the future when I read that postcard again, maaalala ko itong feeling ko na ngayon. Ginuo ko tong trip na to na kahit na hindi kasama si Carl kasi pangarap ko pumunta dito with him pero everything just went into place na biglang si Tia, yung best friend ko, biglang the times I am having with her, sobrang ganda, sobrang saya. And if you're watching this, anywhere you are, just try to pause and appreciate the little things around you.
So, I'm finally walking around. Ang calming, ang therapeutic ng mga bagay-bagay na nangyayari ngayon dito sa park. Kasi nakikita mo yung mga tao, nag-chill lang, nagbabasa ng book, natutulog, nagbe-date, nagjo-journal, kumakain. Nakakaingit. Gusto ko ng ganitong place sa Manila. Kung hindi lang korap ang mga opisyal, no? Charis. So, dito na natapos yung walking tour ko. This is my last stop. May mga ibang mga ganap pa around here. So, pwede niyong puntahan. But for me kasi, kailangan ko nang i-meet si Tia. I'm gonna be meeting a friend, si Nelly and si Tia. Hindi ako balik kasi 5 p.m. yung meeting time namin. So, yes! Let's go! Let's finally try the viral cafe here in Paris, Carrette. Nakikita nyo tong cafe na to all over your feed if you're finding the perfect cafe in Paris. And yes, I'm gonna try it out. Underrated or overrated?
Now, I'm already here in Carrette. One of the talagang most hype cafe here in Paris. If you've seen Carrette on Google, on TikTok, as in talagang one of the parang face must try cafes in Paris is Carrette nga. Fortunately, when my friend arrived, 1 packs lang siya, hindi na siya pumila. Kasi usually, mga pumipila, tagto 2 packs lang. So if 1 packs, parang mas hindi na kailangan pumila, isisingit na lang nila sa mga available table, ganon. Yun yung nangyari sa friend ko. Then eventually, nagkaroon ng available seat, perfect time, kakarating ko na din. So, hindi na rin ako pumila, ganun. Here kasi, in this branch, near the Eiffel Tower, usually daw, mas mahaba talaga yung pira. There are other branches, ayan, lesser ang lines nito. Ang pinakasikat dito is there, ayan, hot chocolate with whipped cream. It's at 13 euro. I'll just put the price here. It consists of talagang, ayan, hot chocolate at saka whipped cream. As of okay yung hot chocolate, very creamy, very rich. Ang whipped cream, wag nyong ubusin kasi talagang nakaka-overwhelm siya. So, then hindi siya nakakaumay, hindi siya yung super tamis. Alam mo yun, sa non-hot chocolate type of person, I think 1 pot ba tawag? Pwede ng pang 2 tao.
Person, 1 cup na rule.
Mag-share lang din kayo sa isang cup. I think the whole experience is actually really nice. Touristy lang talaga. Maraming ingay. Maganda if you're outside, at least may view ka and mas may hangin. But I think the whole experience here inside with the waiters, with the chaos, tapos lilinya ka pa, for example, for more than 30 minutes, for me personally, it's not gonna be worth it. Okay siya pag hindi mo na kailangan pumila at straight pasok ka na sa restaurant, then it's worth the try.
A few moments later.
Okay, so may pang-budget po pang karet, pero walang pang-budget lunch. Ang leftovers po ni Tia, ako na po ang kakain kasi sayang din, di ba? Eat with me on the streets of Paris. Now I understand bakit hindi naubos ni Tia. Tinan mo,
24 euros yan.
sobrang... Ay, my palpitation got real. Oh my God, we are with Nelly! Nelly! Oh my God! Nakakatulala. Like, it's like a sticker. You know, when I was a child, this is my dream. When I was a baby princess, I used to have like the small keychains, and now I have a big one. Normally, you can actually roam around in this area, but right now, I think there is gonna be an event. Maybe it's a fashion show because it's fashion week.
Look at the security just standing.
Tignan mo yung mga security, oh. Meron ng harang here. Then may mga security, just like that. From there, we walk towards here, ayan, to get this view. So, andito na kami sa parang Seine River. Dito nagko-cruise yung mga Seine cruise.
Palapit na po kami sa Eiffel Tower! Look at this! Ah! We are already in ABS-CBN Tower. Charis!
I think this area, mga bestie ko, is better. It's less crowded. It has more people space. Parang grass sila where you could mag-picnic kayo dyan, take out kayo ng food, tapos just enjoy the view. This is the view.
Tapos lakad-lakad ka lang dyan. Kung may jowa ka, holding hands kayo, ganon.
A few moments later.
Oh my God! The first time I saw... Kakailaw lang niya! Oh my God! Ooh! OMG! Oh my God! I'm crying again! Oh, it's so pretty! Girl, I'm crying again, where's Tia? I need a hug. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my God, good. Good no. Stop it, I'm so A. But it's so pretty. Ang ganda. It's so sparkly. It's my first time. It's my first time seeing it sparkle. Gusto ko ma-experience nyo to. Super nice. Sobrang ganda. How many minutes was the walk?
Too many.
Restaurant, guys. It's called Louvre. It's near Gallery Lafayette. Ayan siya. Yeah.
The virgin also?
Sabaw pa tayo. So, nagulog ako ng 2 euro. 2 euro ha? 160 pesos. Pinindot ko 34. Wala naman. Oh, walang nalaglag ate ko. So, tayo sa 44. Euro to in total kasi yung dalawa nasayang.
Now I keep my hands in my pocket.
Good morning, besties. Paris day 2 on our for this vlog. Time check. 9:33 a.m. May shoot ako kanina ng 9 a.m. sa Louvre. Obviously, hindi natuloy because we were on time naman. Okay na sana yung schedule, but yung Uber talagang delay. Like, he was 1 minute away from our hotel. Biglang nag 10 minutes, biglang nag 30 minutes, biglang nag 40 minutes, ganun. Tapos biglang nag-cancel. So, alam mo yun, parang mga almost 30 minutes lang din kami naghihintay sa lobby. Wala, we missed our shoot. I think it's because of the fashion week. Tuloy, nasayang ko yung shoot ko. So yeah, we're still on the way to the Louvre. We're just gonna do our shoot ourselves. DIY na lang para hindi masayang ang mga extra outfit na dala. The full fashion week, agahan nyo. Kasi
it's giving traffic sa Pilipinas. Charis, ganon. Hindi naman ganon kalala, pero medyo. We're here in the Uber. We paid 19, 18 euro from Ibis to the Louvre. So, saan tayo pa pwesto? What if kalabanin natin? Competitive kami. So, dapat maganda rin yung content namin. Let's go, Warriors! Let's take that photos and content.
When nothing stays the way it seems.
Holy curse.
Ang ganda ni ate, oh. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Even if it's sunny?
Those days. Where did she go? Is she hiding in me? Behind dreams I used to dream. Help me see the world the way I used to do. Life was just cruel. Life was just cruel.
I think today, ngayon ako gumastos ng ganitong kalaking halaga for breakfast at alam kong hindi ako mabubusog. 3 tinapay, orange juice, mapait na Americano na alam kong hindi ko mauubod. 22 euro.
55.
Ay, 25. Shit. 25. Ay, yaman-yamanan na naman po tayo for today's video. Eh. Hindi, kasi andito kami sa Cafe Marley. This is actually very famous on Pinterest, on Instagram, on TikTok because it has the most perfect view of the Louvre. As in, I'll show you, ayan yung mga photos namin, di ba? Talagang. So we went here for the cloud. Ano pa amin? Gusto ko rin kasi talaga maka-experience ng breakfast na may view. And ang mga bestie ko, may ipapakilala pala akong bagong character for today's video. The Ramon Larga yaan! Okay, NASL po. Name, age, sex, location.
Name, Archie Larga. Sex, unknown. Age, 18.
Oh, lokasyon.
And location, Marinduque.
Oh.
But now, Paris.
Paris! Actually, the perfect place to dine kasi talagang closer to the Louvre. But we're 3 packs kasi. So, dito kami. For 2 packs lang kasi tong mga to.
There she goes again. Beauty queen on the web. But when she goes.
So, ano kami sa labas ng Louvre? Ayan, may fashion show kasi ng
Louis Vuitton.
Ayan, si Archie yung updated sa mga ganiter. So, may LV fashion show. And, yeah, let's see. Ang daming tao. And close yung buong area over there. Hindi ka makakalapit sa Louvre. Kasi yan yung fashion show area. So, para kaming, dito, warrior. Naghahanap ng tamang pwesto. Ayun, may mga sumisigaw. Naririnig niyo ba yun?
Wonder if good girls one day wake up and see. Be a good girl, but let your heart take a lead. There she goes again. Straight from work to the gym. Where she is.
So, ganito yung itsura niya sa taas, mga bestie ko. Ayan. Then, below that, mas maganda yung taas kasi at least, di ba, open air, makikita mo yung view properly, ganyan. Tapos parang mas in the moment ka. So, yung mga bestie ko, nag-hop on, hop off na lang kami na bus ni Chia after ng Louvre namin na experience kasi parang walang-wala, ligaw na kami, hindi namin alam kung anong gagawin. So, perfect opportunity. There was actually one of the stations ng hop on, hop off na bus na inavail namin. So, sumakay na lang kami from that point. And yeah, right now we are exploring the city through a hop-on, hop-off bus. Notre Dame. Eh, napuntahan namin ito kahapon.
after 30 minutes po, resting time again. Alam mo, kada 30 minutes, kailangan po namin umupo at mag-rest ng 10 minutes. Masakit na po ang mga kaso-kaso namin. Ouchie! I'm not sure kung na-mention ko na kanina mga bestie ko, but our itinerary for today was supposed to be the Louvre, tapos go around the places around the Louvre, but biglang nag-iba na naman po ang aming itinerary. It's very normal for us because umiiba depende sa situation na meron kami during that time. And unfortunately, earlier, if you've seen, di ba, the Louvre was closed for the event. Ang dami ring tao, so we weren't able to really enjoy the whole vibe. So what we did is we just went to the hop-on, hop-off. But I'm not sure kung makakabalik pa kami mga bestie ko. But if ever you guys are interested with our itinerary today, ayan po siya. I'll just put the list here, yung magkakasunod. The Google Map link, pwede siyang walking ha, is in my description box below. So yan, yung ideal itinerary for today. So we started with the Louvre. If you are in Paris, please don't miss the Louvre because this is one of the most iconic landmark here in Paris. Like, bakit ka nag-Paris pag hindi mo nakita ang the Louvre? Dito po ang famous Mona Lisa ha. If you guys also want to go inside the museum, you can actually purchase your tickets from Klook. They have two options, yung normal ticket or yung skip the line. Of course, mas mahal yung skip the line kasi mas special ka kasi sobrang haba talaga ng pila in the Louvre. So, here's a fun fact about the Louvre. It actually holds millions of objects spanning almost 5,000 years old. As I mentioned, dito po yung Mona Lisa, dito rin yung, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but Venus de Milo, Wing the Victory of Samothrace. Then now mga bestie ko, we are here in Jardin de Tuileries. As mentioned a while ago, we walked from Galerie Lafayette to the Jardin de Tuileries. Walking distance din po to from the Louvre. Actually, part siya ng itinerary na ideal na sinadjust ko kanina. Very chill here. If you've seen my yesterday's itineraries. Ano din siya? Familiar din siya with Jardin de Luxembourg. Very parky. Very chill, very charming. Ang daming trees. Ang daming mga nagpa-picnic, nag-jogging, nag-chill. Actually, is used to be a para workshop place. Catherine de Medici. Tuileries is from the root word tuiles and clay roof tiles. So, yun yung mga ginagawa nilang work. And right now, it's a very beautiful garden. Malaki siya. It's 25 to 28 hectares. So, sobrang laki niya. And on that area is the famous pictorial spot. We are back in the Eiffel Tower. Yesterday we were here, nag-inarte po tayo. Today, mag-iinarte na naman. Because we never know next time that you're gonna see the Eiffel Tower again. So, habang may time kami ngayon, we will visit it again. And for today, it's actually special because instead of gold yung sparkle ng Eiffel Tower, it's gonna be pink because it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Hindi all the time na magsasparkle ang Eiffel Tower to pink. That's why, di ba?
Don't say no, 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 no. Say what? Just say
Yeah.
Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine. Yay! Hindi siya pink, hindi ko gets. Ito pala yung pink to. Hey, ganda! Wow, it looks so beautiful. So, time check, it's already 8:20 p.m. and hindi ko po gets kung bakit hindi ba po siya pink. Parang ako'y baka pink na siya. Baka ito na yung pink. Kami yung napapahiya sa vlog namin kasi dapat magpe-pink po siya. Nagbibilang sila, OMG, nagbibilang sila. Ah! Hey! Looks so
lang,
pretty.
okay.
Ano ba aking angle?
Diba? Parang yung tito mo pag nagpa-picture sa ibang bansa. Ngayon na siya, kulay pink.
Dahil
Nagkikrave kami sa rice. We went to this restaurant, Korean restaurant. So, screenshot nyo na lang for the price. Ayan, it's at 18.5. Anyway, let's just go inside. Hey! Hey, Korean food with ito. Wow. Bibimbap, then kimchi jjigae. May isa pa. Kimchi jjigae. May humabol. Meron ding spicy marinated pork. Rice is literally wow. Sarap talaga. Sarap.
Craving satisfied.
Kanin in your mouth. Iba pa rin talaga ang rice mga bestie ko. Rice is life.
Oh my gosh, mga bestie ko. Am I seeing what I'm seeing? It's so pretty. Next section, hi. So cute.
Sensei!